everyone, welcome to another Ballet for tutorials. Today you're going to be learning how to do Tombé Pas de Bourrée. In saying that, let's get ready and let's get to it. Let's begin by saying that Tombé Pas de Bourrée in ballet is a linking skill. So it's in charge of joining one skill with another one and making everything more fluid and more mellow. Now, as its name is already telling you, it's the result of joining a tombé with a pas de bourrée. Tombé Pas de Bourrée is one of the most popular skills in ballet among teachers and dancers because for sure, if you think about it, it's the first step that anyone will keep in mind when planning or thinking on doing a grand allegro or pirouette combination. Am I right? But now let's get to a Tombé Pas de Bourrée because after all, you are here to learn to do a Tombé Pas de Bourrée. Let's do fifth position, hands on the hips, and we are going to be facing the right diagonal in front of us, and we are going to be effacé, right leg in front. We are going to do tendu, just that, a tendu forward, and we are going to fall over the front leg with bent knee and finish in a tendu to the back. Just by doing this action, we are doing a tombé. Tombé in ballet means falling and is used to describe the movement in which we fall from one leg over the other leg with bent knee. After we do our tombé, the next thing that we have to do is say pas de bourrée. And this is how to do a Tombé Pas de Bourrée. If you don't know how to do Pas de Bourrée, I'm going to leave in the description of this video a link for you of a tutorial how to do Pas de Bourrée as a beginner. Now, if after this Tombé Pas de Bourrée we are thinking on doing a pirouette, then the movement is going to be a little bit faster and with more dynamic. So this is how you are expected to do it. Tombé Pas de Bourrée. Faster, quick, and with dynamic. For instance, after the Tombé Pas de Bourrée, let's say that we want to do a pirouette en dehors to the right side from fourth position. Okay, so let me teach you how to do that. Fifth position, effacé, facing the right diagonal, right leg in front, arms on brava. And we are going to do demi-plié, arms to first position, tombé to second position, my left leg close fifth position on the back, right leg open to the side, left leg close fourth position in front, and we are ready to do simple pirouette en dehors. Let's do it faster and with more dynamic. Yeah, you ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Plié, tombé, pas de bourrée, fourth position, pirouette. Tombé pas de bourrée can also be done sideways or can be done to the back. For example, let's say that now we want to do a tombé pas de bourrée to the back, and then we want to continue a pirouette en dedans. Let me teach you to do Tombé Pas de Bourrée to the back. Left leg is on the back, and we are going to open left leg to a tendu. 1, 2, tombé. Awesome. Over the back leg. If when we did it forward, we did a tombé over the front leg. To do it to the back, we are going to do tombé over the back leg. From here, we are going to close right leg, left leg open to the side, and my right leg's either close to fifth position or from here, close to fourth position to do your pirouette en dedans. Now, let's do it one more time. No arms coordination yet. My left leg is on the back, left leg open to a battement tendu, tombé to the back over the back leg, right, left, right. Awesome, well done. So now that you know how to do a Tombé Pas de Bourrée, followed by a pirouette en dehors and en dedans, forward and to the back, let's do a combination together so you can really get to practice what you learned today. We are going to begin this time, croisé, facing the left diagonal, arms in brava position. We are going to do tendu, facing the right diagonal, Tombé Pas de Bourrée, fifth position. And now we're going to change tendu, facing the left diagonal in front, Tombé Pas de Bourrée. Third time, 1, 2, 3, fourth position, pirouette en dehors. And now we are going to do everything to the back. We are going to open right leg, which means we are going to do tendu facing the right diagonal, tombé to the back, pas de bourrée. And next we are going to do it with the left leg, tombé, pas de bourrée. Third time, tombé, pas de bourrée, fourth position, pirouette en dedans, and that's going to be our combination. Let's do it a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Third time. 1, 2, fourth position, pirouette, and begins to the back. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Third time, 1, 2, 3. Period, and done.